I'm Lazar Stevanovic and I work as a commercial director in company L.P.B. Promet, whose main brand is Camel. L.P.B. Promet was founded in 2006 as a family paper converting company, so the Camellia brand has been celebrating 15 years of existence this year. In our product range, there are napkins, paper towels and toilet rolls that are originally produced in our company, as well as an additional imported programs that include cleaning products, wet wipes, air fresheners and similar. We place our products mostly on the domestic market and the surrounding countries. Our company has been cooperating with STAX almost from the first day of our foundation, because we bought the first napkin wrapping machines from STAX back in 2006. At the beginning of this year, a complete automatic line for rolls packaging was installed in our plants, which includes Prima, Forza and Maestra machines. The purchase of Amica Unica in 2020 is the first project we have accomplished with PCMC, but we have several more projects planned in the future. Of course, all these machines are connected by STAX conveying system. The sales analysis of our products show that the best-selling items are toilet rolls packed in bags. In order to increase the production capacity of such a product and thus respond to market demand, it was inevitable to install an automatic machines for packaging rolls in bags, where STAX answered our demand with Maestra. Having installed the latest automatic converting and packaging line, first of all PCMC's Amica Unica, has enabled us to produce the roll whose core is the smallest on the market. At the same time, we have expanded the product range to 4 sizes of core. Doing this, we have enabled continuous production, the possibility of packaging in the larger numbers of format with a shorter time of changeover and getting the packages of the same quality and impeccable appearance. In addition to the mentioned benefits, which contribute to the reduction of scrap, we estimate that by using this STAX and PCMC line, we will be able to expand the production capacity from 350 to almost 700 tons per month. Certainly, the use of automated lines drastically reduces the need for human operators that would be needed on the manual machines for the same work. Strong business and friendship between us primarily is based on the fact that everyone at STAX is ready to answer our requests and questions as soon as possible, and always strives to find the most economical and most optimal solution for every situation. This applies not only to technical matters, but also to constructive advice and support regarding running in business in the industry in general. As for the cooperation with PCMC for now, it is a successful and flawless relationship with a customer support team, which is greatly contributing to our continued cooperation. The installation of both STAX's and PCMC's machines was very fast and efficient, as well as the training of our workers was very successful.